everyone! Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite holidays, National Bird Day. I love birds. When I grow up, I want to be an ornithologist. That's someone who studies birds. There are so many different kinds of birds and so many different things that make them unique. Let me take you to my backyard. Birds have different songs and sounds they use to communicate with each other. They have different colors and patterns in their feathers. They have all different things they like to eat and ways of taking care of each other. Birds are an important part of our world's ecosystems. In order to protect them, you've got to learn more about them. You can celebrate National Bird Day by listening and looking for birds in your own backyard or neighborhood. Happy National Bird Day! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.